What's up, guys? If you're tired of power drops and messy wire jobs ruining your new audio setup, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down the Boss Audio Systems KIT2 8-gauge amplifier wiring kit. When you're pushing serious wattage, the last thing you want is a weak link in your power delivery. I've spent hours running thick power wires through firewalls and dealing with tight dashboard spaces, so I know a good kit when I see one. This kit comes with a 20-foot, 8-gauge red power cable. It's solid, but I'll be honest, it's not the thickest 8-gauge I've ever worked with. Still, it gets the job done for entry-level setups. The competition fuse holder is a nice touch. It feels sturdy and gives me peace of mind when I'm crimping ring terminals and securing connections. The kit also comes with a 16-foot blue turn-on wire and a 30-foot speaker wire. They're reliable and easy to hide under door sills. The 20-foot RCA interconnects are decent, but you might want to upgrade if you're chasing competition-level sound quality. The kit also throws in wire ties and rubber grommets, which are lifesavers when you're trying to keep things clean and protected from sharp metal edges. Overall, if you're just getting started and need a complete kit without breaking the bank, the Boss KIT2 is a solid choice. It's not top tier, but it packs everything you need for a basic install. If you want to grab this exact kit for your next build, check the link in the description below for the latest deals. Hit that like button, subscribe to Audio Revamp for more install tips, and drop a comment letting me know what you're running in your ride right now.